Which stainless steel cookware set is actually worth your money? It's a simple question, but you'll find the answer isn't as straightforward as it seems. Today, we're peeling back the layers to find the best options out there. Product number 1, CAROT Triply Gold Set. First up is the CAROT 21 PCS Triply Stainless Steel Cookware Set in gold, priced at $109.99. What caught my eye was its striking color and the promise of even heating thanks to its triply construction. If you want stunning cookware that performs, this is worth a serious look. So no more burnt food or sticking pots. Plus, it works on all cooktops including induction. It's also oven-safe and dishwasher-safe, making your life easier both while cooking and cleaning. With a solid rating of 4.7 stars from over 1,000 reviews, it's clear that many people are happy with their purchase. Now, some people complained about the gold color being a bit flashy for their kitchens. Here's the thing though, if you love standing out or your kitchen needs a pop of color, this set could be perfect for you. It's not for everyone, but if you enjoy a little flair in your cooking space, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you love stylish cookware and value even heating. Skip this one if you prefer a more classic stainless look. For the price, you're getting a solid set that won't let you down. Now, if the flashy design isn't your vibe, the next option on our list offers a classic look with the same great functionality. Product number 2, CAROT Triply Silver Set. Next, we have the CAROT 21 PCS Triply Stainless Steel Cookware Set in silver, retailing at $129.99. This set caught my attention with its polished finish and practical design. If you're looking for high-quality cookware at a reasonable price, this one's worth a serious look. It shares many features with the gold set, including that impressive triply construction for even heating, which means you can cook everything from quick breakfasts to hearty family dinners without worrying about hot spots. The tempered glass lids let you monitor your food without losing heat, which is great for simmering sauces or steaming veggies. With a strong 4.7-star rating from over 1,000 reviews, you can trust that this set is well loved by users. However, some users mention the price being a bit high for what you get. Here's the thing, while it is pricier than some options, the quality and durability make it a worthwhile investment if you're serious about your cooking. This is perfect for you if you're looking for durability and style in your kitchen. Skip this one if you want something cheaper or are just starting out. Overall, it's a good value for the quality offered. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those tight on space. Product number 3, CAROT Detachable Handle Set. Coming in at a budget-friendly $49.99, the CAROT Pots and Pans Set with detachable handle is next on our list. I was intrigued by the detachable handle feature, which is perfect for those with limited storage space. If you need flexible cookware, this set is definitely worth a look. The full triply construction ensures even heating, so you won't have to deal with uneven cooking. The detachable handles not only save space, but also make it easy to transition from cooking to serving. With a 4.5-star rating from 4,000 reviews, it's clear this set has a lot of happy cooks. Some users found the learning curve of using stainless steel frustrating compared to non-stick. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the results are much healthier and rewarding. Plus, the stackable design is a game changer for small kitchens. This is perfect for you if you need space-saving cookware with solid performance. Skip this one if you prefer non-stick for ease of use. At this price, you're getting fantastic value. Now, if you want a blend of versatility and design, the next option might catch your eye. Product number 4, CAROT Woodgrain Set. Next up is the CAROT 19 PCS Stainless Steel Cookware Set with a detachable handle, priced at $74.99. This set grabbed my attention because of its unique woodgrain design. If you want something stylish that still performs well, you'll want to give this one a serious look. This set is designed for healthier cooking with no coating, which allows for better browning and searing. The triply construction provides even heat distribution, so your food cooks consistently. Plus, the detachable handle is super convenient for storage and ensures that it remains cool while cooking. It's also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 681 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate both its performance and style. However, some users noted that the wood grain design might not fit all kitchen styles. Here's the thing, if you love a modern or rustic aesthetic, this could be a stunning addition. But if your kitchen is more traditional, you might want to consider other options. This is perfect for you if you value aesthetics in cookware and want something that performs. Skip this one if you prefer a more classic stainless design. For the price, it's a stylish set that delivers on quality. Finally, if you're after something with a professional chef's touch, the last product on our list is an excellent contender. Product number 5, Cuisinart Multi-Clad Pro Set. Last but definitely not least, we have the Cuisinart 12-piece Multi-Clad Pro Triple Ply Stainless Steel Pots and Pans set, coming in at $238. I was drawn to this set because of its professional-grade construction and reputation. If you're serious about cooking and want top-quality cookware, this is worth checking out. This means you can achieve restaurant-quality results at home. The polished surface makes for easy cleaning and prevents any reactions with food, keeping your meals flavorful. With over 11,000 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear this set has a loyal following. However, some people mentioned that the price might be on the higher side for a home cook. Here's the thing though, if you cook often and want something that will last a lifetime, this investment could truly pay off. This is perfect for you if you're an avid cook or someone who enjoys entertaining. Skip this one if you're just starting out or want something more budget-friendly. In terms of quality, you'd be hard-pressed to find a better set for the price. To wrap things up, all 5 of these stainless steel cookware sets have their strengths. Whether you're looking for a stylish set like Carote's gold or silver options, a space-saving solution with detachable handles, or professional quality cookware from Cuisinart, there's something here for everyone. So there you have it. From the stylish Carote sets to the professional-grade Cuisinart, each offers something unique. Choose what works best for your cooking style and kitchen needs. Happy cooking!